I did want to share with you guys just one really quick Valentine chocolate that I picked up. I've mentioned before I'm a huge fan of Chiroro Choco, and showed you guys the little box of Christmas chocolates that they had before for their winter season. This is a special message Chiroro, and it's a special kind of Valentine Day chocolate where you can decorate it. Now last year they did the same kind of series, but last year it was Deco Choco, so it was decorative like jewels and things like that you can put little tiny hearts and beads that you could decorate your chocolates with. But I just wanted to show you guys what's in this. This is a larger size kind of box that they have, and if we open it up, there's a little seal here at the bottom that you can break. And open it up, and inside you can see that there's these cute little stickers for wrapping up your box. And then there's these individual boxes inside as well. I'm going to show you guys. This year what they've got is the sticker for the box, and then they have the little tiny boxes that you can make so that you can make your own individual kind of gift of a chocolate. Now there's a few different designs in here. How many are there? 5 different boxes it looks like. So 5 different kinds of little decorative boxes that you can put together to make, to hold your special decorative message box. So, you know, these are super easy to put together. You just follow the creases and put them together here. And then you could put, when you've finished decorating your chocolate, you put it inside here and then just seal it off and stick it in there like so. Pretty easy to put together. But a nice way to kind of seal things off for when you decorate with your chocolate. Then inside you'll notice that there are 5 chocolates inside, because there's 5 boxes. That makes sense. That means you can't mess up though, right? You got to get it right the first time. These are all just the standard milk chocolate flavor, I believe. Oh no, I'm right. Okay, yeah, they're all milk chocolate. If you want to just give it like this, of course you can, but the point of this is that you can take a little tiny pencil, even if you want to, or a toothpick, and if you use that, you can then draw onto your chocolate messages. So, oh yeah, no, I was right. It's not just all milk chocolate. It looks like there's 2 white chocolate. Oh, it's actually strawberry, excuse me. Strawberry chocolate, 2 strawberry chocolates that are white, actually, and then 3 chocolates that are milk chocolate. So let me go ahead and open one up for you guys to see. These chocolates are pretty just standard size, kind of like this. And this is actually pretty rare for Chiroro Choco because it usually has a you know, indented kind of design there, embossed design. But this is just a real flat kind of surface. And then along with everything else that's in here, you'll see these 2 sheets that are in here. This is chocolate brown color, and then this is a light yellow color. You use this then to draw onto your chocolate. This is actually a really popular way. I know, like at Baskin-Robbins now, if you buy an ice cream cake, you can put your own nameplate by using these chocolate sheets, and you write on top your message then that way. It's a pretty clever way of doing things. So I'll kind of show you guys here. If you just take this part, and I'll use the yellow because I'm using the darker chocolate, and I'm just going to make a little message here. You just put the color side onto the chocolate, and then I'll just draw a little heart to kind of show you guys. You just kind of trace whatever design you want on there and peel it off, and you can see I'm left with this. And obviously you could do much more intricate design work. You could if you're a good artist, you could draw a really good picture on here. You just have to press kind of hard just because it's like trace paper. And then that actually doesn't really come off so easily either, which is kind of cool. So once you've kind of got your finished design there, you don't need to worry about it, you know, brushing off right away. And then you just slip that then into these cute little boxes that it comes with. And you've got your own homemade kind of specialized chocolate. It's pretty popular to make your own, despite the fact that there's tons and tons of aisles of pre-made chocolate. It's also really popular to decorate your own. And in the video after this, I show you a little bit also of some of the goods that you can use for making your own chocolate as well. So thought I'd just share with you guys one here, and now you can go ahead and watch the clip from the store. So this is kind of just a little view of the chocolates here in the store. This section of chocolates is only available during Valentine's Day, and there's just tower upon tower of chocolates. And surprisingly, most of these sell actually before Valentine's Day. So lots of different variety to choose from, stuff more guy-oriented, nice little soccer balls, those kinds of things. And then my favorite, Chiroro Choco, there's a huge tower of those. Doesn't look like they'll sell out that soon. And then you have some stuff that's more for little kids. Nice little race cars full of little chocolates and popular anime characters that have little chocolates inside. And these are usually little tins that have a couple chocolates. Of course, you have to have Pokemon. You can't miss those guys. And then some more novelty things, like wouldn't you like your own little poo-poo kind of turd-looking chocolate? Yeah, Unchikun Choco, only in Japan. Isn't that delicious looking? And then, of course, One Piece. You have to have One Piece. Lots of stuff this year for that. Kind of overwhelming, actually. And then you have some more kind of novelty items, little pillows that are shaped like different sports balls and stuff. And then these things, which are kind of fun. This is made to look like, you know, aspirin, but it's actually chocolate inside. Little Band-Aids that are actually chocolate. And then some more novelty items like these curry packs. It looks like curry, but inside is actually chocolate. These packs from the outside look like instant ramen packs, but inside is actually chocolate. Some other kinds of things like that. And down at the bottom you can see there's some beer. It looks like a beer can, but inside is chocolate. So kind of just some fun items. Now, if you can't find what you want from all of those millions of things to choose from, you can make your own. So some of these things here, these are molds, different molds, dinosaurs and stuff like that. You can then make your own chocolate, decorate them, put them in little cups, decorate them with cute little donuts and stuff like that. Here on the side are the chocolates that you buy to melt down to pour into those molds. And then sometimes people will then do deco choco, which is real common when you're making chocolates for your friends. You use these deco choco items over here to help make things super pretty. And that's just a really brief introduction to chocolate here.